welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for some spooky fun? Because it is time for the reveal of the two costumes that I made for hashtag Historical Halloween 2020. If you have not seen my previous videos, I am linking them down below, but I have made two costumes as part of this collaboration, and my two are a late 19-teens Hussif dress from Weldon's Fancy Dress catalog, and an 1888 Daisy fancy dress costume from Dare Bazaar. I have done a series of videos on the making of these two costumes. I believe there are 5 videos currently in total, and there will be another one coming out on Tuesday. As I mentioned, all of those are part of hashtag Historical Halloween, which has been a super fun collaboration between a whole bunch of costumers and also non-YouTube costumers. So you can check out progress pictures on Instagram by searching the hashtag Historical Halloween 2020, and you can also check out everyone's videos that are linked in the playlist down in the description. But let's dive into some spooky fun on these two arguably very cute and not spooky at all costumes. you so much for joining me for this video. I do hope that you really enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please go ahead and click the thumbs up icon. And if you'd like to see more videos like this from me, please go ahead and click subscribe and the little bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. I do post videos here on YouTube twice a week with my sewing vlogs on Tuesday. I will have the final one on the Daisy costume coming out this Tuesday, in fact, and my regular content coming out on Friday. But I post every day over on Instagram, so please go follow me on Instagram. That's at Lydia Rebecca Fashion. If you want to support this channel further, I also have a link to my Ko-fi account down below. Once again, I do hope that you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the playlist below for everyone's historical Halloween 2020 videos. Have a wonderful week. Happy Halloween, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy sewing!